Hi, I'm Dr. Sharvari Mundhe, Consultant Reproductive Medicine in Motherhood Hospital, Sarjapur. And today we are going to speak about ovulation and facts around ovulation. So what is ovulation? Ovulation is a multi-step hormone-dependent process in which the egg is released from the ovary and it travels to the fallopian tube where it can get fertilized by the sperm. How can we track ovulation? The best way to track an ovulation is by doing an ultrasound. What are the signs of ovulation? So many females will experience little bit of bloating, pelvic pain, nausea, sticky vaginal discharge and some rise in the body temperature. How long is the fertile window after ovulation? Once ovulation has been started, the egg will be available for 12 to 24 hours when it reaches the fallopian tube. In that window, the sperm needs to fertilize it and form a baby. What factors affect ovulation? So there are multiple factors like stress, irregular sleep cycle, some diet changes, sudden weight gain, sudden weight loss are some things that can affect the ovulation cycle. What is the role of emergency contraception? So when you take emergency contraception before the ovulation has happened, it is said to be 90% effective. But if you take the emergency contraception after ovulation, it has no effect in preventing a pregnancy. Can ovulation happen even if a period has not occurred? Yes, even if the period has not occurred or it has happened in the form of slight bleeding or spotting, then it can go unnoticed and still you can ovulate sometime later in the same menstrual cycle. Does ovulation happen on the same day in each menstrual cycle? So even if your cycles are regular, there can be slight variation on the ovulation day part because it is a hormone dependent process. So yes, there is a rough window, that is in the mid cycle the ovulation is supposed to happen, but in some females it might get little early or delayed depending upon the hormones produced. To know more about your ovulation window, if you are planning actively for pregnancy, please do consult us at Motherhood Hospital, Sarjapur.